Hello, hi students. So today I'll be discussing about the test paper that is you have written on 36022. Okay. Yes. Section 1. So section 1, the first question will be discussed now. So the first question is y is equal to cos inverse of 2x minus 3 and square root of 1 minus x square divided by root 13. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So how do we do this question? First, we always look into this question, y equal to cos inverse. So, and we have 2x minus x, 2x minus 3 into square root of 1 minus x square. So first thing is you need to take x is equal to sine theta. So once you have taken x equal to sine theta, y equal to cos inverse of, okay, 2x. So 2 into sine theta, 2 into sine theta, substitute sine theta minus 3 into square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So the whole divided by root 30. Okay. Now 2 sine theta, we have it, right? Yes, 2 by root sine theta. You can just split it as y is equal to cos inverse of, okay, 2 by root 13 sine theta, okay, minus 3 by root 13. 1 minus sine square theta would be cos theta. Okay. Now you can take it sine alpha. Okay. This is very important. Just consider this. Okay. This as sine alpha. Okay. Sine alpha. And this as cos beta. So what happened? Sine alpha into sine theta. Okay. Now our format of the question is cos inverse of sine alpha into sine theta minus cos beta into cos theta, isn't it? Yes. No, cos alpha we take it, not beta, alpha only. Okay. Yes. So there will be two, only alpha and theta will be angle. So what happens here? It is of the format. Okay, just take the negative sign. Okay, so that is, okay, negative of, because of the formula, cos alpha into cos theta minus sine alpha into sine theta. So because of the formula, we can write it as negative of cos theta plus alpha. And here we do have cos inverse of cos negative of cos theta plus alpha. So next what can be done? Since negative we have it, okay, you already know the formula. Because of cos inverse of negative x, that is phi minus cos inverse of. So here also phi minus cos inverse of cos theta plus alpha. So that is phi minus, okay, that is theta plus alpha. So next phi minus theta, okay, is nothing but sine inverse of x, okay, into sine inverse of plus of minus sine inverse of 2 divided by alpha is nothing but 2 divided by root 13. So I have taken here sine alpha is equal to 2 by root 13, right? Yes. So alpha is equal to here 2 by 2 by root 13. Yes. So it's a constant, isn't it? Yes. So we need to differentiate right now, which is equal to y. So now differentiate with respect to x, phi is 0, negative sign 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, differentiation of sine 2 by root 3 alpha 13. It's a constant. okay, and which is a constant. So where differentiation of constant is equal to 0. So next, this is the answer. Second question. See, look into the second question. Second question, students. It's quite easy. Y equal to sine inverse of 2 to the power x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 to the power x. Find dy by dx. So here, how do we do it? Here, we need to actually arrange the question. Sine inverse of, look into this question. So we do have 2 to the power x plus 1. So I can just change it as 2 to the power x, 2 to the power 1, divided by 1 plus 2x the whole square. Okay, I'm trying to get it into some format, good format. Okay, now I have 2x, 2 to the power x. Okay, I can take it as like tan theta. So I can just take it as tan theta. Okay, I can just take it as tan theta. So what happens here is, if I take 2 to the power x tan theta, we can directly substitute sine inverse of 2 to the power x, that is tan theta, okay, into 2. Okay, this particular 2 I've written here. 1 plus, okay, tan square theta. Yes. So now it's very easy. It is sine inverse of sine 2 theta. So which is equal to 2 theta, y equal to. So now I can write it back like y is equal to 2 into tan inverse of what, x theta is equal to 2x, right? Yes. So back to substitution of the tan theta, tan sine inverse of sine 2 theta, which is equal to 2 theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse of, see here, theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 to the power x. Yeah. Now we can differentiate. Now we can differentiate with respect to y, students. Okay, 2 into 1 divided by 1 plus x square, right? So 2x the whole square. So differentiation of 2 to the power x, you have to do it. So that is 2 to the power x into log 2. What is that formula? Differentiation of, okay, a to the power x. Students, remember this. Okay, a to the power x, like 2 to the power x, 3 to the power x, anything. So that is equal to a to the power x log a. Okay, a to the power x log a. Yes. So because of that, I got this answer. So that is 2 to the power. Now this particular 2, m into and a to the power m, a to the power n, exponent rule, m plus n, base is equal, x plus 1, and log 2. Okay, the base log 2. Okay, it's not log 2, it is base. Okay, remember that it's a base. Okay, yes, it's base log 2 divided by 1 plus 2 to the power x the whole square. So this is the answer, dy by dx. Yes, yes. Next question. Question number 3. So question number 3. So question number 3, y is equal to sine inverse of x and root of 1 minus x minus root x square root of 1 minus x square. Find dy by dx. And it's a simple question, student. And what you have to do is, you know that something is, two things has been product, right? Yes. So what can I think? Only thing I can the next process I can think about is only substitution. So what do is I just substitute, I just substitute as x equal to sine A. X equal to what? Sine A. Then root x is equal to sine B. So when I substitute sine inverse of, okay, x is equal to what? Sine A, and square root of 1 minus sine square B, okay, minus sine B, okay, root x is what? Sine B, right? Yes. So you need to think, what if I substitute? How can I simplify sine inverse of the sine theta to get, or sine inverse of cos theta to get? Okay, or anything, any term, like any term, if, whatever the possibility. So only by practice you will able to do these problems. So y is equal to sine inverse of sine A 1 minus sine square B. What is sine square B? That is cos B minus sine B into 1 minus sine square A, it is cos A. Okay, yes. So you came to know this is the formula: sine A into cos B into sine B into cos A. It is sine subtraction, that is A minus B, sine of A minus B. Now y is equal to sine inverse of sine A minus B is A minus B, right? Yes. So sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta, students. So I am writing A minus B. Okay, I cannot differentiate until I substitute what is A. Okay, I need to differentiate with respect to x, right? So what is A? Sine inverse of x. What is B? Sine inverse of root x. Okay, student. So now divide by dx is equal to, okay, differentiate now sine inverse 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square, and here it is 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x, root x, but differentiation of root x, okay, I need to do it, that is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, 1 by 2 root x. So what do I do? Within root, you can multiply it. So I just have to write it in the standard form. That's all. So 2 is outside the root. So x minus x square. X into x within root, you can multiply it. Okay. So x into 1 is x and x into x is x square. So this is the answer, dy by dx. Yeah. So the next question, the fourth question. Yeah. The fourth question, students, shall we do the fourth question? So think about this question. What can we substitute in order to get tan inverse of, oh, they've given two things here. And if you go to see the fourth question as the a function with respect to function, that means it's a completely parametric function also, you can tell. So there are two things it's given completely. So I'm going to take x equal to tan inverse of square root of 1 minus x square by x. So here I'm going to take yes, what can I take it? Because x is here, so I cannot take x at same. So same x going to take it. I'm going to take it u, and here I'm going to take it as v, because we do have x here, right? Within cos inverse, so I cannot take it. So student du with respect to dx, I have to do it, but I cannot do it. It's a complicated process. So what do? I try to simplify, substitute. What if I substitute x equal to sine theta? Okay, here it will become sine square theta, student, divided by sine theta. That's nothing but tan inverse of Okay, students, listen. So 1 minus, I'm just substituted here x equal to sine theta. Okay, so that 1 minus sine square theta would be cos theta divided by sine theta. So that is equal to tan inverse of cot theta. Okay, so that equal to tan inverse of cot theta will be equal to what? Tan inverse of tan inverse of tan, okay, pi by 2, pi by 2 minus theta, okay, because I'm going to change what, okay, yes, so pi by 2 minus theta, so that will be y equal to, not the y, I have taken u, right, yes, so we shall change y, okay, now y equal, u equal to pi by 2, what is theta, yes, now what is theta? U equal to pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sine inverse of x. So only now I can differentiate, student. So that is du with respect to dx, that is equal to pi by 2 is a constant 0. So negative 1 divided by 1 minus x square. So this is du with respect to dx. Okay. Next, similarly, I'm going to do it v. V is also easy. You need to substitute x equal to sine theta, so that it's very easy. Sine theta and square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So which is going to be cos theta. So 2 into sine theta into cos theta. You have already guessed this formula, that is cos inverse of sine 2 theta, and again here it is pi by 2 minus, so here it will be cos inverse of cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So what happened, cos inverse of cos pi by 2 minus theta, inverse trigonometry 2 into theta, so which is v. Now I need to substitute what is theta. Theta is equal to, I substituted sine, right? So sine inverse of theta. So 2. So differentiate dv with respect to dx. 0 minus 2 into divided by square root of 1 minus, okay, 1 minus x, right? X square. So now what we have to do is dv, okay, in order to, we need to find dy by dx, right? So du with respect to dx, du with respect to dv, or dv with respect to which, what they asked, they've asked about yeah, du with respect to dv, we have to find it. So for that, du with respect to dx and dv with respect to dx. Okay, the first term is u, right? U with respect to x, u with respect to v. So that means du by dv. So you need to divide it. So I think the denominator get cancelled, and which is going to be a negative half, and the negative also get cancelled, so it's just going to be half. Okay, you can cancel the denominator, student, and negative also cancel it. Okay, so that you get half is the answer. Simple. Okay, yes, simple it is. Any doubts? First I did with u, and next I did with v. Yes. Next, fifth question, student, fifth question. So I'm going to do it, fifth question. So listen to this question carefully. Okay. We need to show this. Okay, dy by dx, y by x, a divided by a minus x, b divided by b minus x, c divided by c minus x. So what we do is y equal to x square, x minus a, x minus b, x minus c, plus bx, x minus b, x minus c. Okay, so how can we proceed this sum? So just think that we do have a x square, okay, bx. So okay, 1 second, students. So the question, oh, I have to copy this question. So I've copied wrong. Okay, let me solve this question. Okay, yes, this is a section 1 question, not this. No. So differentiate, this is also parametric equation. Take u is equal to sine inverse of 2ax square root of 1 minus a square minus x square. Okay, b equal to 1 minus a square minus x square. Yes. How do we do this question? So you can write ax. So you can write x equal to ax. Okay, ax. I mean, I think we can solve this way. Ax, we have it ax square, ax the whole square, ax the whole square. Because of that, I can write ax is equal to sine theta. Because sine inverse of sine, I need to get it. So u equal to, okay, u equal to sine inverse of, okay, 2 into sine theta square root of 1 minus sine square theta. So that will become sine 2 theta. Actually, your 2 into sine theta, and this is because of the identity, it's cos theta. So sine inverse of u equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Okay, so sine inverse of sine 2 theta will be equal to 2 theta. Yes, because of the in trigonometry part already we learned it. What is theta is equal to? What is theta is equal to? We have substituted ax is equal to what sine theta. From this, okay, from this, okay, this implies theta is equal to sine inverse of ax. Okay, yes. So 2 into sine inverse of ax. So now you can differentiate, students. Start differentiating. So 2 into sine inverse of square root of 1 minus a square minus x square. Okay, cool. Next question. Next part. Here also, dv, before differentiating, we need to substitute and get the answer. Here, v equal to root of 1 minus, here also sine square theta. So what happens here? V is equal to cos theta, just cos theta. So dv with respect to dx, it is differentiation of cos theta is what? Differentiation of, let me check the question I've written properly. Hmm. Yes. So that means here it is v equal to so much. Okay. But when I substitute like a square minus x square, so why can't we do it directly? This question directly you can differentiate it. So sure it is. I can do this question, no problem. Cos theta, I can write differentiation of cos theta. Theta we have it, right? Yes, let me check with this. Wait. First, what is theta? V is equal to cos of, okay, theta is equal to sine inverse of ax, right? Yes. And suppose it is inverse, we have it, right? So what can be done? What can be done? For that, I need cos of cos inverse. Okay, cos of cos inverse of pi by 2 minus ax. So that is equal to pi by 2 minus ax. Ax square, no, ax. But pi by 2, but I cannot write it. So I think about directly, I'll try to solve it directly, students. Okay, so that I can get the answer. So it's a direct one shot, right? There is no inverse and all. So dv with respect to dx, that is equal to 1 by 2 root of 1 minus a square minus x square. So differentiation of, always remember, root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay. So similarly here 1 divided by 2 root of 1 minus, here it is a square minus, okay. Oh, I had to differentiate again a square minus x square. Okay, because again I have to differentiate this. So that will be a square into 2x. So just 2 and 2 get cancelled. So the answer is your, yes, 1 by 2 root of x and 2 a square. Okay, but negative sign we have it, right? So along with negative we have to carry it. So negative 1 by square root of, I mean a square x, okay, divided by root of 1 minus a square minus x square. This is dv with respect to dx. Yes. Now we need to find out du. Okay, du with respect to dx, du with respect to dv. So that is equal to the denominator definitely get cancels. Okay, so negative 2 divided by a square and x. Am I right? Yes. What about your yes. Anywhere the mistakes. Yes, what? Yes, student. Any questions to ask? Okay. Now 2 divided by 1 du by dx, that is 2a. Actually here we do have, okay, theta sine inverse of x. So where 2 into, okay, yes, this is the answer, student. Okay, next question. Question is done. Then sixth question. Students, shall we do? We should do sixth question right now. Yes. So x equal to question number 6. Question number 6. Not this. Section A. Question number 6. Yes. So differentiation. So u equal to tan inverse of, okay, cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. So tan inverse of u equal to tan inverse of, okay, sin pi by 2 minus x, okay, divided by, here actually cos I'm changing into sin, 1 plus, okay, cos pi by 2, cos pi by 2 minus x. So that what I get is u is equal to tan inverse of, okay, sine pi by 2. So sine pi by 2 minus x, 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. So because of the formula, so here I'm applying a formula, that is uh, sine theta formula is what? Okay, sine 2 theta formula is what? 2 into sine theta into cos theta. Similarly, sine 2 theta will be sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So now what is happening here? What is happening here? So that is equal to sine pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, 2 into. So here cos pi by 4 minus x by 2 because of half angle. Okay, yes. So division divided by, so the whole divided by 1 plus cos pi by 2 minus x. So that will be 2 into cos square. Okay, 2 into cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2 because of the again formula. Okay, because of the formula 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to 2 into cos square theta by 2. So that's why. So if you divide by 2, pi by 4, so one of the cos get cancelled, so 2 get cancelled, sine by cos, that's going to be tan. Okay, pi by 4 minus x by 2, so which is going to be u equal to, that is u equal to pi by 4 minus x by 2. Okay, minus x by 2. So differentiate with respect to x. So du with respect to x, that's going to be negative 1 by 2. Yes. So negative 1 by 2. The first half is done. Secant inverse. So v equal to. So now secant inverse. So that is v equal to secant inverse of x. dv with respect to dx equal to negative 1 by square root x into or negative 1 x into x square minus 1. Okay, yes. So now that is dv by dx. So therefore, okay, we have to find out du by dv, that is equal to denominator, nothing is going to happen. So x into reciprocal. Okay, you have to reciprocal it. Try it out by your own. So negative negative cancels. So divide by 2. So this is the answer. So secant is positive, right? Yes. So that means negative minus, okay, negative. This is positive. Yes, this is the answer. Next question number 7. Yes, students. Question number is continuity, like logarithm. Okay, logarithm question. I have taken from other section, already done. So section A, 7. Okay. This is very easy. I'm not going to do. Everyone has done. So for this, the answer is, I can say that it's continuous. F of x is continuous at x equal to 1, and f of x is continue at x equal to 1. Okay, let me copy down the question. Yes. So this is a continuity question. Okay. So f of x is continuous at x equal to 1. So so A will be equal to 3, B will be equal to 2. So they're asking us to find out value of A and value of B, isn't it? Yes. Question number 8. So that is also continuity question. So I can say that there also the value. Question number 8. So the question number 8. So question number 8. So the value, I mean, A is equal to, so I can say that the f of x is continuous in the interval. I can say that from 0 to 8 they've given it, correct? No. So here the question was like it should be like 4 to 8. Okay. So A should be equal to 3 and B should be equal to negative 2. You're supposed to get it. Then, so the ninth question. Yes. So the ninth question alone, I'll do it. Ninth and 10th. So we'll be doing 9th and 10th. Okay. Yeah, ninth question, student. Just listen to this question. Here, f of x is continuous at x equal to 2. Find the value of a and b such that f of x, if you go to see here LHL, okay, so listen here, LHL, okay, and R is x equal to 2. A is when x equal to 2, it's a, okay, and when x is greater than pi by 2, it is b into 1 minus sin x pi minus 2x square. And at x equal to pi by 2, it is a. Then 1 minus sin x divided by 3 into cos square x. X is less than pi by 2. And now, how do we solve it? Take LHL. Okay, take out the LHL. LHL, that's equal to 1 minus sine cube x, okay, divided by 3 cos square x. So now I can say that as x is equal to, oh, the formulas you can split it up, okay, so that, okay, first as x is equal to pi by 2 minus h, as h tends to 0. Now students, so l equal to 1 minus, because of the limit, okay, limit, okay, x tends to pi by 2 minus, so limit, okay, h tends to 0, so 1 minus sine cube pi by 2 minus h divided by 3 into cos square pi by 2 minus h. So now limit, okay, limit h tends to 0, so 1 minus cos cube h divided by 1 3 into sin square h. So now what happens? A cube minus b cube formula, I can utilize it on the numerator, that is a cube minus b cube, that's equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so then here it is limit h tends to 0, okay, 1 minus cos h, okay, 1 plus cos square h and plus cos h, so divided by, okay, divided by, okay, 3 into 1 plus cos square h. So what happens here? 1 plus cos, okay, here I think we can change 3 sine square h. Okay, since 3 sine square h has 1 minus cos square h, so I can split it up. Okay, so I can split it up. That is 1 minus cos h into 1 plus cos square h plus cos h. So divided by 1 plus cos h. Okay, and here 1 minus cos h, so that I can cancel this up. Okay, then later I have to substitute h. So once I substitute h, I would get the value would be 1. Your first one value is 1, 1. Then here it is again 1 plus 1, again plus 1. So divided by 3 into 1 plus 1. Okay. So I would get half LHM. So RHL. Now I'm going to start doing RHL. I'm going to do it RHL. So when I start with RHL, so RHL. So that is equal to B okay, 1 minus sine x divided by pi minus 2x the whole square. So as x tends to pi by 2 plus h and h tends to 0. So I get limit x tends to pi by 2. So, or here it's limit x tends to pi by 2, and here it is h tends to 0. I'm going to apply h tends to 0 so that b as it is 1 minus sine pi by 2 plus h, okay, divided by pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h the whole square. So now limit, okay, limit h tends to 0, b into 1 minus cos h divided by pi minus 2 into, I mean 2 into 2 to get cancelled, just pi. So that again pi get cancelled minus, oh, here it is pi by 2 plus h. So that means, okay, that means here it is 4h, okay, plus 4h the whole square. So negative into negative, okay. So you need to expand and you would get negative, I mean positive 4h square. Yes. Next one, what can I do is 2 into limit h tends to 0, b 1 minus cos h will be 2 into, okay, 2 into sine square h by pi, h by 2, h by 2. So the whole divided by 4h square. So, so limit h tends to 0. Now 2b sine square h by 2. So 4 into h square by 4 multiply by 4 divide by 4. So the whole limit will be equal to 1. So 4 into 4, which will be equal to 16. So 2b you get divided by 16. Yes. So sine square limit x tends to 0, sine square x by x square, which is equal to 1. You know it. So because of that, all the part will be equal to 1. So 4 into 4, 16, 2b by 16. So therefore LHL is equal to RHL, okay, is equal to LHL equal to RHL is equal to f of 2, which is equal to, they've told that it is continuous at f of 2, so which is equal to 1 by 2 equal to b by 8, 2b by 8, then which is equal to 8. So just equate a equal to half and b equal to 8 by 2, 8 by 2, that's equal to 4. Yes. So the 10th question is also similar. You have to get a equal to half, and yeah, a equal to half is the answer. Yes.